Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with BahtKaleb Consulting. I am your consultant, Malka, and we are going to continue our Start Your If series. This one is Start Here if you feel financially lost. You don't need all the answers, you just need directions. Most people are financially lost because they don't know what direction they're going in. In the next 20 days, to help you with the direction, we want you to write down your income and your expenses. Then define one goal. You're either going to save, pay your debt, or increase income for the next 20 days. Pick one, and that's what you're going to stick to. You're not going to do all at once. Then this next 60 days, you want to follow one clear plan. Stop jumping between ideas. Keep your mind on one track. Then the next 90 days, you're going to build consistency and then track your progress. This helps to give you confidence. You're building confidence and you're building wealth. Clarity creates confidence. And our scripture is Proverbs 21:5. The thoughts of the diligent tend only to plenteousness. Praise Yahweh, glory to Yahweh. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you can reach us at BahtKalebConsulting.com. Shalom.